because 2017 in lifetime I give lecture in university. In lifetime I just teach you what we say the drone. I mean autonomous ship. A lot of teacher they don't believe will be happen. But right now in the European country they also have this kind of very common sense because there are some port already allowed autonomous ship to berthing their port already. For example, since last time I already teach you, since 2024, Robotic port, inland transport, yes, inland transport they can allow since last year. Because European country, for example, European country have an event, the first we say autonomous ship, container ship, since 2022. We say Yala. Yala. It's autonomous ship. Yes, it's designed by the Norway. It's already in navigation. Yes. Okay. So the tubes is I forgot, maybe 300 tubes. Container ship. So in future, this kind of ship will become bigger. So maybe go close with the continental, maybe from European to USA. So it's no problem. But the problem is what? That means we circle with energy problem. Because this kind of Yala ship, they use the energy is with the erratic power. Is designed by the Tesla. Tesla they designed with the erratic power. But you know, erratic power, if you navigate from Rotterdam to New York Port, then you have to, you have to search more bigger, more huge battery. So big problem so far, but in the future, I think so no problem. Okay, maybe some company have to consider to use the nuclear power to become their energy for the container ship sailing. Yeah, nuclear power. Maybe in the future we can use a very small nuclear power to become one of the crypto's energy. Okay, so today's topic is we are discussing the robot. Yeah, robot. Yeah, online. Yes, introduce what is robots and the key feature of robotics robot and type robot, maritime special for maritime robot. Okay, maritime robot. Yeah, and application of robots, especially in the maritime business. What kind of robots so far they have been used? Okay, maybe in future you can see a lot of robots. For example, in the Panda we say Panda robot. Okay, in the China already have, yeah, robot Panda. And in Beijing. They have to help with robots with a marathon. Robot marathon. Yes, in Beijing. So I think in the future you can see a lot of jacking people, only robots. Okay. Advantage and disadvantage of maritime robots and the real roles of robot in maritime business. Discussion. Today we have robot application strategy can be used to deal with the port congestion in your host countries, international commercial port. First question. Okay. Number two, what results have been achieved in solving the port congestion problem by adopting the aforementioned robotics application strategy? Yeah, two. Okay. And two, you can discuss in your group member. Okay, we return back here. So, what's the robot? Yes, when we are kidding, we are a child, right? We see a child play the car, right? Small car, running small car. Okay, we see the dog, they can running, and we have some robot packs. is executing robot dog is fine, okay? Sometimes there is, for example, or in the hospital, you can see some very small robots. They can discussion with you, communication with you. Oh, okay. So, but the problem is what kind of robot they can design? They can use a computer program. You set up a computer program, and they have to discussion with you. For example, some robot designed for the nurse, some robot their function designed for housekeeper. Housekeeper 就是我们讲的，就是照顾看家里的人，嘿，家居人。哦 sometimes in my house, right, I like iRobot to clean my room. Okay, so very convenient because iRobot they're working 25 minutes. I can watch my TV. I can drink my coffee. Okay, I see my newspaper. Of course, my newspaper is from our, mobile phone. So very convenient. So, how about maritime robot? Maritime robot is so far is become hot issue. So you can see some journal has some published some paper related to we say maritime robot. Yeah, what kind of application can apply to the maritime robot? Yeah, use the technology to design in marine and underwater environment for a different purpose. Okay, for example, navigation, explosion, surveillance 是我们讲监视，监视。比如说我们最近很多这种，因为我们的伟大的 brother 呢，他们发明很多这种，我们叫无人载具，我们也要发明这样子，不要看的。所以未来是我们叫做先打是什么呢？就是我们讲的游戏战争，看谁打赢，打赢之后才真正的来打哈。Okay, so in the future wars, first one is drone. Sometimes autonomous ship will become one of very strong with a weapon. And also another focus is transportation and search. Okay, so right now if you like to eat food, you can order by Uber Eat, right? Uber Eat or Panda Eat, right? Like this robot guy, and then copy for the human being, just like this one. Humanians. The humanians, let me review slide, and you can know how it goes. You can see a lot of, can find a toy. It's a robot toy, right? And also they have some from 17 to 19. They have automatically create, including mechanism duck. And then continue. The USA have landing on the, we say the human moon. Okay. I see. I have, and also in that time I have seen some stories saying when the USA guys have landed on moon, they see another big objective. It's alien. I'm not sure. Alien. Okay, also you can see here become the robot duck. Okay, and then is my home. It's iRobot. I like this one. Compare with made in Samsung, more better. Okay, this guy is okay. And okay, you can use the drone deliver your cargo, deliver your panda food. Okay, for example, bamboo. Okay, use this kind of drone. This is very famous with the citizen Sophia because he got citizen from Middle East. Okay, 他是沙特阿拉伯的居民哦，他现在Sophia. This Jumbo, he has talking with this Jumbo. This guy robot big split and they have fighting ability. And here is you can see a lot the walker and this year's we say the Tesla will be published. We say with a housekeeper robot. Yeah, but expensive. Okay, so here's a robot. Okay, see the robot. Okay, so because magic can get married for wife, so they can take a different function. First one is their main function is housekeeper. Second one is to take care of their children. Baby sister. Oh, you're so lucky. I jealous you. You don't need to hire a robot. you can hire a human being, okay? Because you have four. Okay, so here is the first one. Sensor and actuated， 就是我们讲执行器啊，就是看它的动作。For example, the ship component moving on the vehicle. For example, robot on spheres and so on. And power supply, of course. Some robot use electric power. Any kinds of robot, for example, iRobot use electric power. Okay, you can charging. Okay, but if robot use nuclear, that's fine. They working 24 hours. And the user also you have some user control system. Control system to control, because not all the robot is autonomous. Sometimes it's semi-auto. Okay, you have control system to give order, they can follow order to do their business. Okay, 有些机器人它不是全自动化作业，必须你要下指令，下指令啊。Mobility, yes, because especially very difficult. Let's mean in the sea or air. If you use a drone, if you use the ship, navigate on the ship. There's different environment. You have to do different order to the ship, right? So, how about maritime use for the ship or drone? Of course, very important is that artificial intelligence. Okay, so similar to the human being, the brain to make decision. So that means how to use algorithm and machine learnings to do this kind of prediction. That's not already showed to you. For example, this A shape, right? A shape. Then negation just like this way. But for example, the B shape here. Also the same. Okay, so in here they will predict maybe we will be hit, right? Collision. Correct. In here, this point. So basically, autonomous ship, they have a anti-collision system. Okay, for example, because they do forecast. If forecast in future, this point will be hit, right? Correct. So they will make decision. So along here, like this one, and then we turn back here. Okay, we'll change the steering road. Okay, so it's right now they basically the ship have we say anti-collision system. 我们叫避碰浪的避开的避碰系统。避碰系统嘛，对不对？对，可以。避碰系统，anti-collision system， 我们叫避碰系统，非常重要，因为一般做这种东西要做预测。Main function of artificial intelligence just do the predicts， 就是do预测。For example, just do the forecast. In the future, this one will be clean. So how about decision? Follow this way or continue? Of course, according to the rules of an anti-collision system, they will find another route, change another route to navigate, to escape the collision accident.
Too much is used the CPA, TCPA
什么叫做？
因为就是它很多的那个 too much system is decision about the regulation use and the use the CPA, TCPA 的 data.
No, once again.
也就是它的决策有很多是用那个 CPA、TCPA 两个字。
简单说一下，第一个是什么 ？C 吗
？CPA 最接定点。
Kindness means when we're going to hit. Okay, so they have a final solution to escape this kind of accident. Okay, so they will calculate. Because calculate very easy. Just send to the ship speak. Yeah. Yeah, it speaks. Yeah.
Close is point of approaching.
再讲一遍。
CLOS。
这对吗 ？TCPA 对吗？
time to closing point of
closing point. So they use this kind of system. Means it's belong to is a navigation's terminology, right? So they can calculate their route optimization, especially for predict. Artificial intelligence main function just for do the predict business, maintain or cargo's sorting. Yeah, their function. And also they have some mechanical structure, for example, waterproofing, casting, corrosion resistant material, pressure resistant. Okay. How about communication system also important? For example, use 5G, Wi-Fi, satellites, or underwater. 这怎么念？我不知道怎么念。Sonar. Oh, sonar, yeah, sonar signal. Okay, so maritime for remote control, free coordination, real-time update. So communication system very important. 像你们那个船舶航行的时候，一般是通过什么来沟通啊
？VHF。
VHF。
对。
VHF。
特高频无线电。
极高频。
特高频 VHF。Very high frequency。
OK。
另外那个 UHF。
哦，那个极高频。
OK。所以船跟船之间沟通是什么？
用特高频直接打起来讲英文啊。对，直接就讲了，对啊。
船跟船是 A 船跟 B 船的 communication 是。
对，又是 VHF channel 16啦。
对 ，channel。
就是呼叫频道嘛，对啊。通常我们都使用 VHF channel 16。
这两面 channel。
CH16。
16。
也对，就是国际公用的那个。
它这个叫什么？叫 VHF 吗
？VHF。
VHF V 是什么
？Very.
Okay, tile robot, yes. First one we say pre-programmed robot. 我们叫做一般用程式的 robot 就是一边小狗。Humanoid robot 就是我们人形机器人，未来的我们老板人形机器人，还有自动机器人，哇，恐怖哦！Teleoperate 什么意思呢？就是用远端去遥控它的。比如说我们现在未来像在德国已经有了，比如说它那个就是挖土机，对不对？它可以透过远端去遥控它，它不要直接去开挖土机，它可能在某个城市做远端遥控它。所以未来他们已经在发明，就是未来在月球的时候呢，它可以透过地球来操纵那个机器。teleport。Augmented robot 什么意思呢？我们叫做增强机器人，就是你比如说你骨骼啊，现在很多骨骼机器人这样蹲下去的时候搬东西这种 ，you can carry very heavy objects. Okay, they have very strong, make your body very brave. Yeah, very strong.
American Navy also and the tank also have used. You can one man to keeping the bomb.
Yeah, super heavy. So you can see here, first one we say pre-programmed robots， 叫偏程 robot。所以所有东西都要去程式设计它。另外叫 humanoid robot。Okay, it's a kind of department. Why? It's a humanoid robot. Okay. Okay, autonomous robot. Yes, you can make decision by himself. For example, self-drive car, delivery, logistics, search or rescue. Yeah, teleoperate robot. For example, drone unmanned submarines. Okay, you user control this robot feature. 我们叫做遥控机器人，蛮好玩的。另外是叫 augmented robot， 比如说你有增强的义肢啊等等所以像我们年纪大了那个膝盖不好，对不对？膝盖不好的时候，你就可以种这种 augmented 那个 facility 就会增强你的膝盖 ，protect your knee. Yeah, because augment is very easy to make broken your knee. So sometimes you use some equipment to make your knee very stronger. Okay.
就是老人家肌肉流失有那个
啊，
老人家肌肉流失就装那个。
对对对，不然突然间，我以前去年吧，上厕所突然间都一下就趴下去，你知道吗？因为有那个肌肉流失症，哇，吓死人。来看一下，我怎么上。Designed by in Shenzhen, they have this kind of female robot. Yeah, you can make friend with a robot. Yeah, if you feel lonely. Like this one. Okay. 很漂亮，很恐怖啊，所以未来蛮麻烦的。还有 you can see some robot they becomes they can carry anything. Yeah, it's designed by Tesla. Yeah. This is belong to we so-called we say the industry robot. Yeah, industry robot. Yeah. 我们叫做工业机器人，它最主要常用的。In Taiwan, we have a lot of this kind of industry robot. I think so. It's very easy for your country too.
Yeah.
Yeah, industry robot.
It's too much. Yeah.
And this kind of robot is for the kid. Yeah. So the kid will take care of the robot can take conversation with the robot, with your kid. So you don't need to pay more attention to robot. But you know. Robot have no temperature, the big problem, so they cannot interact with your kid. Okay, this one. Okay, Tony, if you in the future Dean become this guy, it's okay. Your Dean become this guy. It's okay for you? Why?
You be terminal.
Yeah, you will be fired. Lady, you'll be fired.
No, it's bad.
It's cool, right? It's very cool. Die.
哦，眼睛变红色的，这个要分解色。
Yeah, terminal. Yeah, okay. Very cool, right? Okay. Our bus, in the future, our bus just like this one. Okay. Terminal. And you can see here, so these ducks, a lot of ducks like this one, and very good design. And in China, they already designed for the war duck. Yeah. Or sometimes it become a design for rescue duck. This one similar to augmentary robot. Yeah, augmentary. Yeah. For example, this guy is they can use this facility to make your legs more stronger. Robot hand. Okay, so in future you can see the different kind of robot for you. We say augmentary robot. 我们叫做增强机器人。好，那当然海事方面也是蛮多。Okay, we take breaks for 10 minutes.